Here we are given if 𝑦𝑥 equals to 1 plus 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3, we have to prove 𝑦𝑥 times 𝑦𝑥 square minus 3𝑦𝑥 minus 3 is equals to 1. Let's get started. Here we are given the condition 𝑦𝑥 equals to 1 plus 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. It can be written as 𝑦𝑥 minus 1 equals to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. Well, cubing on both sides, here we get 𝑦𝑥 minus 1 whole cube equals to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3 whole cube. Let me go down and let me change the color. X minus 1 whole cube equals to, well, here 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3 whole cube is given. So for this we'll use the formula a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus 3ab times a plus b plus b cube. Using this formula, where 2 power 1 by 3 is taken as a and 2 power 2 by 3 is taken as b, we can write 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3 times 2 power 1 by 3 times 2 power 2 by 3 times 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3 bracket close plus 2 power 2 by 3 whole cube. Solving this, 𝑦𝑥 minus 1 whole cube equals to, here 3 get cancelled, so 2 is left, 3 times 2 and 2 same base, so power can be added, bracket 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3 plus 3 get cancelled, 2 power 2 is left. Moving to the next part, we have 𝑦𝑥 minus 1 whole cube equals to 2 plus 3 times, since 3 denominator is same, so we can add the numerator, bracket 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3 plus, and 2 squared is 4. In the next part, 𝑦𝑥 minus 1 whole cube, 2 plus 4 can be added and it can be written as 6. 3 times 2 power 3 by 3, bracket 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3 bracket, or 𝑥 minus 1 whole cube equals to 6 plus 3 get cancelled, 3 times 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3. Let me go down, and 𝑥 minus 1 whole cube equals to 6 plus 6 times, well, in the beginning we took 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power 2 by 3 equals to 𝑥 minus 1, so we are putting the value and opening the 𝑥 minus 1 whole cube. Here we have this formula. Well, we use a minus b whole cube to open the 𝑥 minus 1 whole cube, just like the formula is shown in the screen. Solving this, here we get 6 get cancelled, 6 left, and x cube minus 3x squared. Let's bring this 6x to the left side and minus 1 to the right side, plus 3x. 6x had plus sign, so it becomes minus 6x, and 1 had minus sign, so it becomes plus 1. Now x cube minus 3x squared minus 3x, so sorry, equals to 1. Taking x common, x squared minus 3x minus 3 equals to 1, and this is the proof. Here we go, we have proved. Congratulations. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, Solution with 𝑦𝑥, please smash that subscribe button.